everyone, thanks for joining me for another video. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Lacey and this is Living with Lacey. So guys, I got in my May intention box. It has been in the mailbox maybe 3 or 4 days because your girl got sick. These Texas allergies are wearing me out. And so I'm just able to have my voice back a little bit and to share with you what's in this box. So let's go ahead and get started. Put the box over to the side. This is the May intention box, and this is Ashley's birthday box. And I've gotten to see a few sneak peeks that's in here, and so I'm ready to see what the rest is. Okay, I do like the way this is packaged. Let me start with that. Packaging is everything, and so I like the way this is packaged. All right, y'all, let's start with, let's start with the envelope bag. So there's an envelope bag here. This is it right here. It says organize in style with our innovative envelope bag, a sleek, collapsible solution for your storage needs. Crafted from heavyweight textured gray paper, it features a secure button string tie enclosure. Ideal for tidying up your workspace or safely tucking away precious mementos. The storage chameleon is perfect for minimalists who appreciate design and functionality. Pair with our rhythm and ritual dashboard duo for a complete organization overhaul. So this right here, as you can see, it says cloth and paper, spring, summer 2024. And it's a bag, okay. For some reason, I just thought it was just a regular file folder. But this is a different kind of bag. We be getting some amazing bags every month. So this is a different kind of bag. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Cool. All right, next we have our daily agenda graph bundle. Flip, there we go. Daily agenda graph bundle. And as you can see, I got this in the mini HP size. So I showed this during our sneak peek. This has 4 different types of graph paper in it. So here's one right here. Love these. I used mine for memory keeping. And then you have one right here that actually has time on it. It has the time going down here. You can use this for affirmations, to-do list, whatever your heart desires. I do like the simplicity of this one right here. And then we have this one right here where I've been seeing a lot of the affiliates are using this for AM, PM, and then you can do a to-do list down here. I like how you can also, you know, draw on here because it's grid. And then here's the last one. And I love this one as well. I love all this. This is a graph over everything. I love it. The GOE. And then in the back, of course, there's just various ways of planning using these inserts. Okay. I told y'all before to stay tuned. I'm going to do a video on how to use these inserts now that everyone has their boxes. All right, next, guys, look here. This is a straight edge ruler. It is so sleek and beautiful. I was watching a video the other night and someone was saying something about the acrylic that cloth and paper was coming out with, and they were like, is this supposed to sit on the desk? should we really use this? Is this substantial? And I'm like, but what you might not know is that there's more acrylic coming out really soon. So this is definitely going to be really relevant for your desk. Pull that off of there. Okay, y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. It only goes to 8. But what I love about it going to 8, it fits in all of our bags. So you don't have to leave it just on your desk. It actually fits into the bags. I do like it on my desk because it's all cute like that. So this is one of Cloth and Paper's bags. Look, fits right into the bag if you need to take it with you. But I love this. Let's see if you can see this part right here. It says, "You deserve luxury." I want y'all to be able to see it. Come on and focus. Okay, giving me problems today. It's right there. Okay. It's not going to let us see it today. That's because it's reflecting a lot of things. But it has Cloth and Paper on it. It's 2024. And it says, "You deserve luxury." So that is gorgeous. Happy to have that. Next, we have our graph pad sticky notes. Y'all cannot read today. This is our graph pad sticky notes. I've been using these. I love them. So this is daily note. It's 50 pages in here. There's so many things you can use this for. So many things. You can use this for pre-planning. Guys, sometimes on the weekend, I might not feel like pulling out my planner, and I need a little sticky note to plan on. I think this is perfect for jotting down the things you need to do, some of the tasks you need to do, and then maybe just taking a few little notes. So this is not something that you have to use on a daily basis, or it can be. It just depends. If you just need to grab a pad instead of your full planner, I love this. I also used this to do a little pre-planning and then took it off and just put it in my planner. So I love this daily note, and I love the way it's packaged. It's all about the packaging, folks. Okay, let's see what else we have. Here we go. All right, next we have this Matchbook. This is Matchbook Page Flags. It says, "Navigate through your planner with our quaint Matchbook page flags. Each flag tears away like a matchstick, ready to mark your most crucial pages. Whether it's annotating important sections or tabbing notes for quick reference, these flags are a must-have for the meticulous planner." Do y'all see how cute this is? Look how cute that is. Matchbook. On the back, it says Cloth and Paper. Set of 3-page flags, 50 sheets each, and made where? In Japan. Yay. Made in Japan, you know they stick. This is so stinking adorable. Okay, y'all, I've seen these online. This is so cute. Look at this. Look at this with this little graph right here. Isn't that cute? The colors are beautiful. Here's another one. See the colors? And then this is a light gray. And the little stick on them, the sticky part doesn't go all the way to the end of it. Isn't that cute? Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. All right, so that's the Matchbook. All right, let's see. And then we got our monthly reflection card. It says latitude. How can you let go of what you can't control? And how can you find peace in what you can? And don't forget, there's a film on here. You have to peel that film back. Oh yeah. This is beautiful. Okay, so that's our latitude card. And then of course we have some more journaling card. This is for July. Oh my gosh, that's so soon. We got our member access card. If you get this box, you will have access starting I think it's the last Thursday in the month, where you will have access to some of these items here. I had some people call me last month when we got the green puff, the bag, and they were like, hey, I don't see the bag on the website. I'm like, and you're not going to see the bag on the website because it's member exclusive. So you'll get a member access card. On the back of it is a QR code, and you'll also receive an email. All right, and then we have this dashboard. I love this dashboard. I was watching someone else's. Yes, I had to watch somebody else's unboxing while I didn't feel well, and I was like, I am going to basically stick that in my planner. So this is definitely going to get punched so that I can use it inside my planner. But this is called Using the Grid, a guide created by Cloth and Paper. Different grid sizes offer customization for creating lists, plans, and brainstorms. The grid or graph has a variety of uses for keeping organized, planning your day-to-day, and expressing yourself creatively. While the blank page can be daunting, grids naturally provide structure and organization. Okay, y'all, this is almost a little hint as to what's to come. Have y'all been seeing, and it comes out on the 16th, letting you know that right now on the 16th, that Cloth and Paper has this acrylic stamp set. They're calling it something else, but y'all, it's stamps. It's stamps. It's beautiful, and I'm buying it. So just so you know, that's to do. But you can also use this ruler when you're using your grid, and you can just draw in all these boxes too. But I'm letting y'all know stamps are coming. So this is for the monthly. Look at that. You can do a graph. You can do a tracker. This is just another way. So it says 1, basic circular bullet list or to-do. 2, undated monthly calendar. 3 is a graph, some kind of sales graph or a visual. Visuals. 4, progress or percentage bars. And then 5, budget or line item chart. Yeah, like this. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, next is another dashboard. I love this dashboard. Rhythm and Ritual. It says introducing the Rhythm and Ritual Dashboard Duo, artfully designed to bring a new layer of depth to your planning. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, I like this. I know y'all know I'm saving something for last. Yes. Okay. So these are our pen set. It says everything takes time to refine. This is why our May pen set comes with studio grade picks for first drafts and works in progress. Write down your ideas and feel inspired as you go through revisions. And this is what it means when you're going through revisions. Go ahead and get a good piece of paper. Okay, so this is the Friction. Did I say that right? Last time I think some people said yes, because I usually call it friction, but is it Friction? It's by Pilot, I can tell you that. Y'all see how nice that is? Beautiful color. And look what you can do. Yes, erasable highlighter. Now you see it, now you don't. I love that, and we'll be using that a lot. All right, and this is the Illumina Flex. It's not erasable, but it's dual tip. So that's nice. And that's nice. Okay, there you go. Those two colors do look really good together. But I love this erasable highlighter. All right, and then the last thing we have, last thing, my gosh, last important, pretty, whatever you want to call it. Oh yes, that is gorgeous. So I have my planner over here. I'm gonna move this mini HP over here. And of course, I'm going to move this. Yeah. I got to change this out. I got to put this right here. I never do this while I'm doing this unboxing, but I just feel it's necessary. I want to see. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. Now I can take some other things out of here. I can hear y'all right now like, where's the flip through of the mini HP? This is so pretty. And I usually like to see this in the front, but Now I'm going to move this right here. Let's see. There we go. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. Y'all see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. All right, well, guess what, y'all? I'm going to keep playing in my planner, doing what I cannot wait to do. Thank you again for joining me for another video. If you have any questions, let me know. You're interested in this box, you have until the 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, I left a code down below and a link down below. Those of you who use the code and the link, thank you so much. It does help me a lot, and it helps further this channel as well. So I appreciate you. Don't forget, take charge of your life one plan at a time, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.